Ever downloaded some hyped up AI app thinking it's going to change your life, and then 5 minutes later you're like, wait, did I just waste my time and maybe my money? Yeah, that's exactly what people are asking about Blaze AI right now. So let's break this down together. No sugarcoating, no corporate fluff. Blaze AI is being marketed like it's the ultimate all-in-one productivity buddy. Think copywriting, social posts, even business ideas. Basically, the AI that promises to make you smarter, faster, and richer. But here's where things get sketchy. On Trustpilot, reviews are super mixed. Some folks are giving it 5 stars, saying it helps them crank out content fast. Others, straight up calling it buggy, overpriced, and not worth the hype. On Reddit, the vibe is even harsher. People complain that Blaze AI feels like a shiny wrapper around ChatGPT, like you're basically paying extra for something you can already get cheaper. To keep it real simple, I threw this into a little Excel-style chart so you can see it side by side. So here's the shocking truth. Blaze AI isn't completely fake, it works, but it's not the magic wand they want you to believe it is. If you're already using free or cheaper AI tools, you might not get much extra value here. Don't let shiny ads trick you. Try the free version, compare it with ChatGPT or Gemini, then decide. And hey, if you want to see my breakdown of other AI tools that actually live up to the hype, click the next video. Trust me, you'll save yourself time and cash. Catch you there!